good morning. The topic which we are going to discuss today is benefits of having CFO, Chief Financial Officer in a startup. और यदि हिंदी में बोला जाए तो क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं अगर हम CFO रखते हैं एक स्टार्टअप कंपनी।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम गौरव है। गौरव वैली आरबी मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल है। कृपया सब्सक्राइब करें दोस्तों, ये सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबाएं, साथ में बेल आइकन को क्लिक करना ना भूलें।
में या स्टार्टअप में, तो ये टॉपिक जो है वो मेरे द्वारा आपके थ्रू आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत किया गया है। मेरा नाम है CS गौरव कुमार शर्मा। मेरा मोबाइल नंबर है 9990694230। gauravdelhi@gmail.com मेरी ईमेल आईडी है। www.csgauravsharma.com मेरी वेबसाइट है। तो चलिए दोस्तों, बिना रुके बिना थमे शुरू करते हैं बेनिफिट्स ऑफ हैविंग CFO इन स्टार्टअप्स विदाउट मच ऑफ ए डिले। So these days technology is improving and CFO's role are getting much more feasible in an organization. So first we will talk about who is CFO, what is CFO, what is Chief Financial Officer, what stronghold he have in a startup. So a Chief Financial Officer or CFO is the senior executive responsible person for managing the financial action of a company. The CFO's duty include tracking cash flows and financial planning as well as analyzing the company's financial strength and weaknesses and proposing corrective actions. The CFO is similar to a treasurer or controller because he is responsible for managing the finance and accounting divisions and for ensuring that the company's financial reports are accurate and completed in a timely manner. So एक चीफ फाइनेंशियल ऑफिसर जो होता है वो सीनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है, काफी बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस होता है उसका, वो मैनेज करता है फाइनेंशियल एक्शन। किसी भी कंपनी के CFO की ड्यूटी होती है कि वो ट्रैक करे कैश फ्लोज, आउटफ्लोज, इनफ्लोज, फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग करे, एनालाइज करे कंपनी को कहाँ कहाँ फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेंथ है, कहाँ कहाँ उसकी वीकनेसेस है, और अगर उसकी कोई वीकनेस है तो प्रपोज कर दे कि हाँ जी ये करेक्टिव एक्शन आपको लेना है आपके स्टार्टअप को। CFO जो है सिमिलर होता है एक ट्रेजरर या कंट्रोलर के तौर पे, बिकॉज उसका रोल जो है रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का है और मैनेज करता है वो फाइनेंस अकाउंटिंग डिवीजन को पूरी तरीके से कंट्रोल करता है, संभालता है, इंश्योर करता है कि कंपनीज की फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्ट्स पूरी तरीके से एक्यूरेट रहें, टाइमली मैनर में फाइल होती रहे। तो एक CFO एक बहुत ही नटशेल में देखा जाए तो वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन। ही कैन बी कंपेयर्ड एज स्विस नाइफ फॉर अ स्टार्टअप। सो दीज डेज व्हाट CFOs are for global experience, global management experience, board opportunities does not mean having to leave home. So a CFO can also give the services out of his home as per this statement, and this is a survey being conducted in a global manner through CFO. 72% have international work experience. CFOs actually lived and worked abroad. 54% of the CFOs around the world worked abroad. 46% acquired their experience through having director responsibility over international business while having domestically based. So 46% have international capabilities and responsibility of businesses having domestically based outcome. So जनरल मैनेजमेंट एक्सपीरियंस क्या कहता है पैरामाउंट CFO उसका, आइए उसके बारे में बात करते हैं। आइंग CFO CEO सीट। सो देखा जाए तो 46% शायद द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क एक्सपीरियंस फॉर द CFO सक्सेस इज जनरल मैनेजमेंट। तो जनरल मैनेजमेंट इज अ वेरी ग्रेट टास्क एंड फॉर स्टार्टअप इट्स वेरी रिक्वायर्ड utmost decision or can say step. 64% want to be CEO. So out of this 64%, half of the percentage relates to CFO. When asked what work experience would benefit them the most in progressing of CFO, 51% CFO said that general management. Board opportunities क्या होती है? Far away, far behind, between. 97% have the support of their company to sit on an outside board. So 90% of the CFOs are outside the board but provide the services of them. 85 are interested in doing the board positions. However, 40% have never even been considered to sit on an outside board. So out of these 100% data, 97% or 85%, if we compare it, 40% sit on the board of startups mainly. If a startup grows, so if you take the startup in a growth circle, then you are getting great you can say sales or financial figures or forecasting and everything. Oh, why is CFO is so much indispensable for startups? The appointment of CFO in a startup business is an important decision which the promoters have to take of the startups, as well as the startups have to take the crucial decision as to the financial mix, cash planning, forecasting the growth of the business and the like decisions. These decisions are taken by the CFO. So this is the utmost reason. तो अपॉइंटमेंट CFO को इसलिए जरूरत पड़ जाती है क्योंकि क्रूशियल डिसीजन लेता है, फाइनेंशियल मिक्स वो प्रोवाइड करता है कैश प्लानिंग करता है, फोरकास्टिंग करता है, ग्रोथ की बिजनेस किस तरीके से जनरेट करना है, लाना है, डिसीजन किस तरीके से होने चाहिए, सारे डिसीजन सीएफओ के थ्रू होते हैं. सीएफओ हैज द रोल ऑफ कॉशियस गार्डियन, keeping an eye on the costs and ensuring that the cash flow is good shape. He or she is an additional pair of eyes or an ears of the team of startups, advising and planning ahead more than looking back and keeping the score. So देखा जाए तो CFO has a cautious guardian role and keep an eye and ear on the team, advising, planning and everything. He's a versatile person, giving the nooks and the corners of the boxing of startup arena. A CFO should have फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग अप्रोच, आगे देखने वाली अप्रोच जीतती है दोस्तों, और फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग अप्रोच एक सीएफओ में पाई जाती है. शुड पॉजेस स्ट्रेटेजिक थिंकिंग. स्ट्रेटेजिक थिंकिंग बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज कई बार हमारे डिसीजन नहीं चलते तो हमारे स्ट्रेटेजिक थिंकिंग प्लान चलते हैं. एवेलुएटिंग ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटीज, और ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटीज ही कैन ऑल्सो थिंक अबाउट द फॉरेन और इंटरनेशनल मार्केट ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटी वेयर यू कैन लैग बिहाइंड एज अ स्टार्टअप. सो a CFO can give you a boost over there. His role is to seek the growth opportunities after considering the risk involved, to motivate and guide his team to make brave decisions. So CFO provide brave decision, involve motivation factor, and above all there is a team builder factor which he creates within the startup team. CFO is expected to be one of the, or you can say one who will stand up to the challenge, having an independent mind and an ability to stand back while at the same time supporting others. So he can be a superman, we can say in a simple words, if we provide in a nutshell way, summarized manner. In the recent years, the role of the CFO has evolved significantly. So traditionally he was viewed as a financial gatekeeper only, but now his role has expanded and evolved to a strategic partner and advisor to the CEO. So what can be reporting or an interim CFO can do? External and internal reporting he can do, budget and controlling things, cash management, forecast. Interim CFO can do anything. And for startups initially, a startup cannot hold a full-time CFO because CFOs demand huge packages. So startup can take virtual CFOs. We will talk about the project of virtual CFOs, what it is and how we can help you there. So let's start. What does a CFO do? Mainly business planning, investor introduction relation, financial projections, rolling cash forecasts, annual operating budgets, 3 and 5 year plans, monthly management reports, pricing, manage debt, mergers, acquisition, equity and debt negotiation, and liquidation. What is the main role of CFOs plays in a startup? Forecasting, modeling and analyzing. Forecasting, modeling and analyzing is key at every stage of a startup progression. It is the most important contribution for the CFO. The ability to communicate thinking and decision making rational is absolutely critical in success of the CFO role. देखा जाए तो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. एजम्पशन लगानी बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो जाती है फ्यूचर की कि क्या ग्रोथ पर्सपेक्टिव होने वाले हैं इस सेक्टर के, जिस सेक्टर में आपका स्टार्टअप है. तो CFO can help you out because he is having international, abroad and Indian purview with a rich experience by his side. So overall you are very good at youth and young blood of the startup, but you need a sight of a CFO in the form of an experienced person, so he can give you forecasting, modeling, analyzing, and also reduce the costs and make the profits go and rise up. Originating role. The CFO install and originates a system of management accounting for the firm. He makes the policies which are center around which functioning of the whole organization revolves. So he is the center point of the organization. If you are removing him or you are not having CFO in your startup, then you are not getting the exact result which a CFO can give you. Supportive role. The other role expected from CFO is supportive role. He creates extended arms to the CEO and also help you. A startup CFO these days have various kinds of caps. You can see that fundraising officer. So your fund woes can only be solved through CFO. Chief accounting officer, your accounts woes can also be handled by him and he can reduce your cost. Chief operating officer, your operation cost can be covered up by a CFO if you are having a CFO in your startup. Chief HR officer, it's well known fact that these days the human resource is the main resource apart from the product structures and all. So if you are having a CFO which is handling your HR assets, then it's very boon for your organization. Chief IT officer, he can provide you a COO role as well. Chief risk officer, if he can sense the risk and can divert your cost from that and also make the profits for you. Chief strategy officer, how to take on the marketing side and other thing. So if we go on presentation overview, what CFOs do, I have told you how CFO drives startup growth and how to engage with the startups. I have told you that outsource versus in-house CFO, I can discuss about the same is that you can also outsource your CFO work to a professional company secretary or a chartered accountant as the case may prescribe, or you can also hire a CFO on virtual regimes, and you can give him the task which you want, although valuation rising side or high fundraising side, or you can say your operation cost downwards or accounting costs and handling the HR assets, or IT officer or chief financial officer as a IT officer can make IT policies or IT opportunities and target the same, and also make your strategies for the same. So you can also take outsource or a in-house CFO with whatever you can handle or whatever cost you can put on. Leadership role, because a CFO is dream team or a startup is a dream team, and a leader can lead the dream team only. So considered CFO is the only person who can lead the same. Investors look into the CFO to take the lead in representing the financial model. If you are good in your startup and having a good CFO, then investor is not getting hazarded up or hanged up without raising the funds to your startup. So to get the funds, before getting the funds, you can also hold a CFO on board which is experienced and also famous. So learning role, the business environment is dynamic in nature. CFO accept these changes and an open mind. He adopts the changes which are in favor of organization, also educate others and help them to adopt the changes. If you have any requirement of a CFO in interim, outsource or anywhere, you can get in touch with me, 990694230. I am also company secretary. This is not an advertising at all, and this is my email ID, gaurav.gmail.com, www.csgauravsharma.com. I have worked with many startups for CFO services and all. This is also, again, I am saying that this is not an advertisement, it is a tutorial video. I can also help your startups in growth perspective and managing cost accounting and other things as well. So you can get in touch with me for the queries, and you feel free to connect with me for any query you have. I can be get in touch with you over WhatsApp, 990694230. Again, I am telling my number. Please do subscribe the channel and do click the bell icon before leaving the video. Thank you very much, friends.